Alright, here we are in exercise 3, so drawing 2, reshaping, transforming, and editing. The first thing we're going to work with here is the rotate tool. So to use the rotate tool, we can hit the R key, or we can come up here to the tool panel and find it right over here. So to use this tool, the first thing we need to do is we need to select the object that we need to rotate. So in order to make a selection, I need to switch back to the black arrow. So I'll hold down on the command key, and then I'm going to select this shape right here. And then the next thing we need to do is we need to choose the axis of rotation. So in this case, I want this shape to revolve around its center point right here. So I'm going to hover and let the smart guides let me know when I'm at the center, and then I need to hold down on the Alt key and click once. So after I do that, I get a little dialog box letting me know that we are going to rotate this object. It wants to know the angle at which we want to rotate this object. So in this case, we're going to rotate it 30 degrees. And we can check the preview button to see how this transformation is going to take place, and that looks correct. But instead of clicking OK, in which case we would just rotate the object, I want to actually rotate it and copy it during that rotation. So in that case, I would hit the copy button. And you can see we took our original object, we rotated it, and made a copy of it. So now I can repeat that transformation by hitting Command and D, and then I will hit V for the black arrow. So that's one basic way of rotating your objects. I'll go ahead and do the same thing again. This time I'm going to rotate this object, but I'm going to choose a different axis point for this object. In this case, I have a circle that I've already drawn, and I'm going to use the center axis of this circle to rotate this object up here. So with that object selected, I'll hit R for my rotate tool. I will hover in the center of that outline circle, and once I find that center, I'm going to hold down on the Alt key and click once. It's going to ask me how many degrees do I want to rotate that at. Let's go ahead and do 20 degrees, and we will make a copy again. And then I want to repeat that rotate all the way around the edge of this outline circle. So I'll hit Command and D. I'll hit the black arrow when I'm done. And that is how you use the rotate.